God.
Otto, let me cry for you.
Alright. Guys, listen.
If you're in the room with us, give us a sign.
I just think I did 30 minutes ago.
Oh shit.
Yo, chill. Nigga, you thought I was trolling? I should have did it in your chair.
Yo!
You stink, gang.
You fucking stink, bro.
Ah!
That's silky berry. You would like, bro. Oh my
Oh,
god.
ass nigga. Yeah, you thought I was reading shower.
Ew! What the fuck? Oh my god. Yes, bro.
Cover your ears for a second.
Hold on. Yo! I was reading.
Weird ass nigga. Anyways.
If F you, they make up on your show. You don't believe.
Yeah.
I think I got shit.
One enemy remaining.
God, what the fuck happened? God.
Before I streamed and I didn't want to change. I didn't want to change. That's why I still got this shit. It's a very, it's like some look calm shit. Hold on. On some look calm shit. Hold on. On some look calm shit. Hold on. On some look calm shit. Yo, 3 in a row.
That ain't bad, bro.
I hope someone else, if anything. Yo, Evo fart. Oh. Evo fart. Yo,
Travago.
I don't care.
Energy, good guy, super cool, and all that. Oh my god, it's gonna stink.
I can't fart on command. I've been trying to eat foods that'll make me fart today, but dude, I ripped a fatty, dude.